Hey guys, crypto episode 63. Bit of a turbulent sort of recovery this week. 6,000 up on last week. A little bit sort of up and down early on in the week. Sort of dropped down to 278 and then sort of come back to just over 300 and sort of been just slightly up and down ever since. Had a little bit of fun and games earlier in the week, which I'll get back to. Not too much news this week, really. Fidelity sort of pushing the SEC to approve the Bitcoin ETF. I think this is their futures ETF. Everyone's still going for futures ones rather than physical. SEC have sort of hinted that would be more likely to get approved. So good to see they're not just sort of making it for the sake of it, and they're actually saying there's institutional demand. They're also sort of saying, Canada, Sweden, Switzerland and Germany have already introduced their own, and they're physical ones rather than futures, so America sort of feeling a little left behind. I think there's sort of 9 still in planning, in application at the moment. But yeah, I think their sort of decisions made on those are going to be mostly sort of this time next month and a couple sort of end of the month, first week in November maybe. So potentially something happening. Maybe if they all get rejected, then might have a bit of a downturn. But if they get approved, then maybe a bit of upside. I'm still wary that they're all futures ETFs. Remember sort of the 2017 top was pretty much the day that futures on the CME got introduced. So not really sure how this will work. It doesn't actually involve buying any Bitcoin. It's just cash settled. But we'll see. We'll see if that's what the institutions want. Then if that brings all the money in, then fair enough. So Bitcoin has provided most of the recovery this week. Up 5%, that's pretty good. Cardano sort of seems to be a little bit of sell the news after the hard fork for new developments, smart contracts and that sort of thing. Everyone sort of thought they might have a bit of a weak period after it started. Ethereum is flat pretty much, not too much happening there. OMG down a little. Has been holding up quite well though recently. Hasn't gone down as much as the others when it drops. Litecoin had a little silly bit of news earlier in the week. Don't know, I haven't found out exactly who it was, but somebody sort of bogusly announced that they were partnering with Walmart, and you sort of saw that spike to 170, and it was almost immediately denied by them. So yeah, come straight back down again, hit the rest of the market really. So yeah, not good sort of exposure for the space. Made the mainstream news sort of saying crypto sort of fake news, but there you go. So XRP down 2%, nothing much there. TRON up 3, XLM down 1.5, not too much happening here. EOS up 9% actually, not too bad. Power Ledger up 10%, that's pretty good. Basic Attention Token down 4%. Actually gone below Power Ledger now, so that's interesting. Dash pretty much flat. Internet Computer down 2.5, 2.75. Band Protocol up 6, not bad. The little small caps. New Cipher up 3. Quantstamp down 4.5. Not too much happening here. Anchor down 2.2. And Cocos down 10. Had a bit of a rough week. So, yeah, not too bad. As I say, up for $6,000. Still sort of staying patient and waiting for end of the year. I think most of September's probably going to be a little bit choppy, a little bit up and down, a little bit boring. But yeah, we'll see where we go from there. So leave your thoughts in comments below, and like and subscribe. Tune into the live stream on Tuesday if you're interested, and see you soon.